Hi there everybody, how's it going? This is Alshehaby. Today in our Adobe Illustrator tutorial we are going to design a multifunction logo. This process could be a letter A logo, could be a letter V logo, and could be a letter N logo. Also, it could be a letter M logo. As well as it could work as a letter S logo if we just can rotate it and reflect it. The sky is our limit today, so let's start. I'm gonna start here by drawing a strip rectangle. Remove the stroke. I will give it a gray color. Duplicate this shape. Press Alt and Shift and drag it. Select both of them and duplicate them again. Here from the Align panel, I will even the distance between the strips. We need to add this to our Samples panel. If you can't find it in here, go to Window and down to Sample. Hold it and drag it in there. Give it a name like Logo Strips. Now I need to draw a rectangle strip again, this time a little wider. Go to Effect, 3D, Revolve, check Preview. From here, give the first value 0, the second value 0, and the third value here, give it a 90 degree. We need this a horizontal cylinder. Then go to Map Art. Make this here 3 of 3. Check the invisible geometry. Then select your logo strip sample. Rotate it here a 45 or 50 degree. If it's small, just press on Shift and scale it up a bit. Then hit OK. Here we have our basic shape. Go to Object and expand Appearance. Right click and ungroup both shapes. Right click again and release the clipping mask on both shapes. Try to select all the clipping objects and delete them. No more objects as far as I can see. Now I'm moving this group to line it up with the other one from the top. Press Alt and duplicate this group and move it to line it up here as well. Make sure you press on shift as you are moving them. I will do the same with the last group. Now with the direct selection tool, I'm gonna select the bottom part of this group and move it down with the down arrow key from the keyboard. Now I'm gonna apply some effects on my strips. Go to Effect, 3D, Extrude and Bevel. Hit Preview. From here, give the first value 0. Second value, give it a 3 degrees. Third value, give it a 0. From perspective, I will give it a 9. From extrude depth here, you don't want to give it here a very high value, as you might close the gaps between the strips this way. I will give it a 120. Then hit OK. As you can see, we have the strips and we have the depth here. Now I will just add the same effect on the other groups. I will try to line them up together from both top and bottom. Now I will just scale my logo, make it a bit longer. Then go to Object and expand Appearance again. Then right click on each group and ungroup them 3 times. We are trying to separate the strips from the depth. Now select the strips in this group along with that group, and with the eyedropper tool just click on our first gradient. From the gradient panel, move the angle to -90. Now select the depth parts on both groups and apply our second gradient on them. Now do the same thing with the other 2 groups. Seems like I missed one here. Select it and give it our gradient again. As I am using this logo as an initials for MA, I'm gonna draw a dot right here and add it to the last group to work as the last part of the letter M and as well the letter A. What I'm gonna do now is to shuffle those sticks or strips to give them a cooler effect. And to do so, select the strip along with the depth and group them together and start bringing them to front or move them to back. Do so with some strips in all four groups till you get to the design that satisfies your eye. It's all good now. Here we go, we're done. This is the final look of my logo. Tune in with me for more graphic tutorials coming your way. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.